Hi guys, you can see my CPC is $6. Today I will share some tips how you can increase your CPC. Here you can see I have only 13 clicks, and here you can see I earn $79. So how you can increase your CPC today I will guide you. Also I will share some tips and I will show you my traffic source. Also I will share my all information from this AdSense. Okay, and you can see most of the payment, most of the earning last 7 days I got traffic from United States, and the second traffic is to Turkey. If I select today, so here you can see today also I have only traffic from United States, and you can see the earning. Okay, so here is the earning. Also United States have very high CPC because they have very good purchasing power. So always remember you have to choose or select United States. So here is the live proof. Okay, I will live show you. I will refresh my AdSense dashboard, don't worry. Now here you can see the page views, how much page views I get today, and here's the click. Okay, so I get traffic, most of my traffic from United States. I personally target United States, and I got traffic from like India and other countries. So here you can see the CPC right here. Okay, so here you can see this is my CPC. So if you want to learn properly, you can contact me. I share my number in intro, so I will guide you how you can do it. Okay, I will refresh my AdSense dashboard. So many people are complaining. So if you want to learn each and everything, you have to contact me. Of course I will charge for that, but you will earn more money after it.